I'm pretty sure you're in the same boat as me. We're coming to the end of our summer term here in our Scouts. And how do you finish your Scout section? You might be scratching your head thinking, oh, I'm bored of doing that. Do the same thing every year. Every term we finish it by doing X, Y, Z. So I'm here to give you some ideas on how you can finish your summer term on a bang. I've got 6 ideas plus a little bonus, which I'll tell you right at the end. So number 1 is a games night, whether that is playing the games that you normally play, dodgeball, stave game, I don't know, captain's coming, that kind of thing. Maybe play it outside in the park, go and play some rounders, or you do something quite cool and have a retro board game night. Or it's another one is you call around your family and friends and some dads and stuff and try and find some old classic games. So maybe get out a Wii. No one plays the Wii anymore. Maybe get a Mega Drive, some classic retro games, and have a games night for the last night of Scouts. Before I dive into number 2, when I say Scouts, I'm generalizing it. So maybe not for squirrels because they might be a bit too young, but definitely for beavers, cubs, scouts, explorers. I just say Scouts in general. So don't worry and go, oh, he only talks about Scouts, not beavers, cubs. I digress. Number 2. Now this one you got to play. You got to wing it, all right? Because it's a water fight night. So if you plan it and that night it's freezing, maybe it is raining and it's cold, you're not going to be able to have a water fight. But having a great water fight, you know, mums and dads don't like it in the garden. I know when I do it, my kids were like, oh my God, why are we doing this? So having it at Scouts, you're not allowed to do it normally at home. Great fun if there's like 20, 30 of you all with your water pistols, splashing each other, maybe, you know, soak the leader, you know, put him in the stocks and throw sponges and stuff and just have a bit of fun, cool down session with some water guns, maybe have a water challenge night, you know, when you've got to transport water in a guttering from point A to point B, but a team building. I'm against water balloons. Only because, one, it's really bad for the environment. You know, you've got all that rubber everywhere. No one picks them all up. You can get some reusable water bombs or just some sponges or something like that. But yeah, for me, water bombs are a complete ban. But just having a bit of fun with some water guns and just jump in. Because you can see some amazing guns for, you know, the little 99p ones to the big super soakers. That's mine. Number 3, how to finish your Scout troop night for summer. Maybe a cooking night, like a sausage. I can never say this one. A sausage sizzle. I can never say it fast. Sausage sizzle. It just, you know, get a campfire going, altar fire. Everyone brings in some sausages and just roast it. Have maybe some hot dogs or something like that, and just sit around the campfire, having some classic burgers or something. Just really good fun. And if you call it a sausage sizzle night, maybe get some family down, you know, the Scout parents, brothers and sisters, sit around, make their own hot dogs, eat it, dough twists, s'mores, that kind of thing, and just try and bring that family back into your Scout section. I love that one. This next idea is the one that my group are personally doing this summer, and we're going off to the local cinema. We haven't argued about what film to come. That's another argument, isn't it, for this week? But going off to the cinema with your mates, hiring out the back rows, throw a load of popcorn in it, and yeah, just have a really good time in the cinema. Maybe go bowling or something like that. Just maybe do something different that you don't normally do with your Scout troop. So maybe you do go bowling and go to the local campsite for archery and stuff. But do you go to the cinema often with your Scout troop? Probably not. So do something different and get out and about. Put the out into Scout and get out. The next one is done all different times of the year. Some people do it at the beginning of the term, at the end of the term, at the end of the year. And that's a badge presentation, where you hand out those badges that the Scouts have got throughout the whole of the year. Maybe give out your gold awards or your bronze awards, whatever section you're doing it. Get the parents down and just showcase what you've been doing over that term, over that year. And the parents look back and go, oh, that's pretty cool. Maybe I should get involved. Sneaky one. But yeah, just handing out those badges. You can do certificates. You know, there's funny certificates as well. You know, the Scout with the most funniest laugh, or the Scout who's been told to tie their shoelaces up the most. That kind of funny certificate. So yeah, bit of a presentation evening. Love that one. Got a bonus one coming up if you subscribe to Big Man in the Woods. If you do that, I'm going to tell you the bonus one next. But before that, Chip Shop Challenge. Man, where are these complicated words? I can't say sausage sizzle and I can't say chip chop challenge. Chip Shop Challenge. where you go off to your local chip shops, or maybe you go to a burger shop or burger van, and you get a portion of chips, bring them back to the hut, and then you score them of the best texture, the most amount in the portion, taste, temperature, all that kind of thing. And it's just an excuse to eat chips, but you go off on a hike. Then you score there, and then the winning chip shop or burger van or Pizza Hut or wherever you get your chips from gets a certificate that you guys have made and signed and puts proudly in their chip shop window to say, our scouts voted us the best chips. Right, the bonus one, this is a brilliant one. It's an ice cream challenge night. It takes a bit of planning, does take a bit of money, so you might have to go and speak to your exec and treasurer and say, please, can we have a bit of extra just because it's last night? And you go to the shop and you buy a whole load of different ice creams and some toppings, and you experiment. You make your own ice creams up, maybe a bit of this and a bit of that, and you make your own kind of McFlurry. Or scouts have never tried raspberry ripple, so tonight is the chance to try raspberry ripple with a bit of chocolate sauce or whatever. Just an ice cream challenge, make it up, it's hot. Yeah, it's just about having a bit of fun. So there you go, Scout Leaders, 7 things, 7 ideas on how you can end your term this summer. Comment below how you end yours. Maybe I've missed something out. Maybe you do something fun. Maybe you don't have an end of term because you don't finish for the summer holidays. You continue during the summer holidays and don't have a break. I don't know. Comment below. Let me know your favorite way of how you end the summer term. I'll see you next time here on Big Man in the Woods. Hey, Scout Leaders, don't forget to subscribe to Big Man in the Woods and watch this playlist here about program planning on how you can become the best Scout Leader ever. And I'll see you next time here on Big Man in the Woods. Bye-bye.